When you take your first bite of fried chicken, your body immediately begins processing a dense combination of protein, fat, refined carbohydrates, and sodium. The crispy coating breaks apart in your mouth as saliva begins digesting the starches from the outer layer. Within seconds, the food travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful gastric acid and enzymes begin breaking down the chicken's protein into smaller building blocks called amino acids. However, because fried chicken contains a high amount of oil, digestion slows significantly. Fat takes longer to process, which can make you feel full, heavy, or sluggish after eating. As the partially digested food moves into the small intestine, bile from the liver and enzymes from the pancreas work together to break down fats into smaller fatty acids. Carbohydrates from the crispy coating convert into glucose and enter the bloodstream, raising blood sugar levels. In response, the pancreas releases insulin to help move glucose into cells for energy. Your muscles use amino acids to support repair and maintenance, while mitochondria inside cells convert nutrients into ADP, the body's energy currency. Chicken also provides beneficial nutrients like vitamin B6, niacin, selenium, and high-quality protein, which support metabolism and immune function. However, the high fat and sodium content can have consequences if consumed frequently. Excess fat may increase LDL cholesterol over time, potentially contributing to plaque buildup in arteries. High sodium intake may temporarily raise blood pressure and cause water retention. If calorie intake exceeds your body's needs, extra energy is stored as body fat. Occasional consumption can be managed by a healthy body, but repeated high-fat, deep-fried meals may strain your cardiovascular and metabolic systems. Every bite triggers a powerful internal response, and balance determines the long-term impact.